Welcome to J Academy. In this video, I'll tell you how to convert a text to a MP3 or any audio file, and you can run that audio file. So first, you need to install the Google Text to Speech. So we will install Google Text to Speech. Go to the terminal and then type. You can type pip install Google Text to Speech. So once it is done, we can start coding. So first, from gTTS, we will import Google Text to Speech, and then we are going to take text to speech equal to gTTS, and inside that, whatever I am going to write, I am going to write hello world, welcome to the world of Python programming, and Python programming is fun. So that is what I want to convert that into MP3, and then I need to do a very simple step. So you can see it's only 3 lines. We can convert any text to a speech. So I'm going to write tts dot save, and I will say my audio dot wav, and that's all for this coding part. And then what we are going to do is that we will run this. So it is running. So once it is execution is over, I can show you the .wav file. Okay. So you can also give MP3 in this. Okay, it's done, right? So let us find in the project folder. So what was the name I gave? My audio. So let us check whether I got my audio. Yes, there is a my audio file. I'm going to run it.
Hello world, welcome to the world of Python programming. Python programming is fun.
Yeah, there you go. Python programming is fun, right? So let us make it a different manner, make it more fun by making an audiobook for your kids, right? So or your brother or sister. So I'm going to make an audiobook on Cinderella. So already I have a story on Cinderella. So it is a big one. So I will just show how the first paragraph can be converted into an audiobook. So the first two paragraph. So I will just copy this content which I've taken from Wikipedia, and then uh, in this function I'm going to write it. I'll copy and I'll paste. Okay, and you're getting a red line under it. So there is the error, right? What you can do is that you can give a double quote, okay, and press enter. So once that that red underline is gone, that means the error is removed, and then you can start with the doubles. You can okay. So you can press a backspace, and every line should be over with the double quotes, and press enter, and then start with the double quote. Then again you can press a double quote, enter, give a double quotes, and wherever you want to end, give a double quotes, enter, give a double quotes, and you have to go till here because little bit work is required. so for the kids, they can enjoy, so you have to work a little bit. So I am going to make it till here, double quotes, enter, double quotes, and it is taking time, but so hard work is will give you some sort of benefit also. And then I am going to end this. So I'll make it in one line. I'll give a tab here, so that it looks good. And one more tab, one more tab, and one more tab. So, and I'm going to name this as my Cinderella. This time I will save it with dot mp3, and you can see this little bit of hard work will be very beneficial, because that can be your bedtime story or audiobook for the kid. And you can also take any of the notes which you have and copy and paste and make it a mp3 and listen to it whenever you are traveling on in the bus. So I will run this. I hope there is no error in that. It is executing. Let's see. Oh, it got a lot of errors, right? So what we can do is that we can check it out again with a smaller pair of paragraph. Okay, I'm going to delete this part and run this one more time. Let's check it out, because there you need to be very careful about giving the double quotes, the end of the line. Okay, so this is one thing you have to be very careful in making this mp3 here. Yeah, there you go, it's over. So now let us listen to the story of my Cinderella. So you can see the format is mp3. So I'm going to run this.
Cinderella came from a noble family. She is the only daughter of a wealthy and widowed duke who has remarried to provide her with a stepmother and two stepsisters. Cinderella's mother died due to illness when she was still a young
Oh, that's a
girl,
lovely story.
leaving her with a doll, favorite dress, and a pair of glass slippers.
So that's what you saw, that you converted the text to a audiobook, okay? And if you take more time and you can fix up each line by line, the entire story of Cinderella can be done, okay? So that's all in this video. Please, 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 do support this channel by subscribing it, and then do like, comment, and share it.
Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video.